find a comfortable position that allows you to be relaxed and alert. We'll begin by tuning in to the sounds around you, allowing the sound of the chime to call your attention into the present moment. Noticing the details of the sounds around you in this moment. Recognizing that every sound is present for a reason. And then shifting your awareness inward as you notice the sensations of breath flowing into your body and out. You might notice the pace of your breath, or the depth of your breath. Allowing your breathing to flow naturally, just noticing the details of this breath in this moment. And now expanding your awareness to physical sensations throughout your body. You might notice sensations of tightness or ease. You might notice comfort or discomfort. You're just tuning in to the details of the sensations with an attitude of interest and curiosity. And now shifting your awareness to your emotions. Curious to notice how you're feeling in this moment. Each feeling present for a reason. Each feeling is neither good nor bad, right nor wrong. Just allowing things to be as they are and taking inventory of what's here right now. Now shifting your awareness to your thoughts. Noticing the activity of your mind. Is your mind active or quiet? Are there certain thoughts that repeat themselves in your mind? Just noticing what's there, taking inventory, recognizing every thought is there for a reason too. Then it can be interesting to simply observe this activity. And now breathing into all that you've noticed in your body, your breathing, your emotions, and your thoughts. Allowing everything to just be as it is. Now with this heightened awareness of all that is in this moment, allowing yourself to be curious as you inquire within. What might be helpful as I move forward in taking care of myself? What kind of intention might serve you at this time? And just noticing if anything arises naturally and acknowledging what comes up. I'd like to invite you now to shift to a new position if you like. If you've been sitting, you might enjoy laying back as we transition into the affirmations portion of this session. You can breathe each statement gently and deeply into your body as you allow each notion to settle in. I can rest my awareness in this moment without trying to change things. I can notice things that are unpleasant and accept that they are as they are. I am willing to pay attention to all parts of my experience. Even those that are uncomfortable. Sometimes I find there's a kind of release that can come with just letting things be as they are, instead of struggling against what is. I can experience a pleasurable moment without trying to cling or hold on to it. I can notice physical sensations in this moment and allow them to be just as they are. I can notice my emotions and allow them to be just as they are. I can notice the habits of my mind and accept that this is the nature of my mind to have these habits. I am learning to skillfully choose when to simply be with what is and when it's time to initiate some kind of change. I am enjoying developing insight, skillfulness, and wisdom day by day through being conscious and practicing regularly. I am courageous. I am strong. I am sensitive. I am whole. I carry beauty with me, inside and out. I carry gracefulness with me as I breathe through the ups and downs of my life experiences. In a moment, I'll sound a chime to mark the conclusion of this session. Thank you for allowing me to guide you in your practice today.